Hi everyone, it's Erin from EB Mixed Media, and I have been having a lot of fun playing with this indexed paper doll kit from UnWowStudios. It's the brainchild of Dee Dee Catron and Tina Walker. And I made this tag. It's a double-sided tag exclusively from items that came in the kit. There's a ton of stuff. You get these chipboards, these little figures that are also, these are on chipboard, this is just paper. You get lots of these reproduction tags and things like that. You even get some really authentic pieces of ephemera and lots of chipboard accessories and things like that to make these cute little, kind of like, it's a take on Rolodex. It actually has a box that you can set them in with a track, and I might have to get that now that I'm playing with these. They're so much fun. So anyway, I made this, like I said, exclusively from stuff in the kit, but now I thought it would be fun to make something adding my own papers and some pops of color and see if there's some way that I can't bring kind of my style to this kit using the bright colors, the bright pinks especially, that I like to use with this vintage stuff. So I thought we would start easily enough with making just a tag. Start off, I just got a few bright papers here, and I think I'm just going to start off covering this like so, and just get some really bright, fun color on this tag. That tissue paper just adds loads of texture to the tag, which is cool. This hole punch is ancient. I got it from my mother's house. All right, and I think what I want to do is to kind of start that theme of kind of old meets new, is ink up the sides here. This is Distress ink from Ranger. And just put some around the edges. See, already that's kind of distressing. And I wonder if I just sort of brush some across the top. It's catching on those ridges a little bit. That's fun. All right. So I was really intrigued by these little umbrella chipboard, and there was this great ad in here for umbrellas and parasols and such, and I thought that would be fun to include. So what I want to do is try and cover these with some painted paper, and I have a couple that kind of go with our color scheme here. And so I think I just want to maybe trace this, or I guess. And for that bit in there, I'm going to have to use my X-Acto knife. But I think for this part, I can just cut it. That's a good start. And I found my glue stick works pretty well on these, on affixing paper to the chipboard. I think when you're affixing the chipboard to something else, it's good to use something heavier duty, but I think for this works pretty well. Still some trimming to do. So I've got a piece of heavy duty cardboard, or a little heavier than cardboard really. It's almost chipboard itself, I guess. And I've got my X-Acto knife. And I'm just gonna clean up my edges here. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. I think that's pretty cute. Where's my other one? This one. Looks cute. And I thought I could also add some lace. I think it must be done. I'm gonna do that though with a little bit of this. This is art glitter glue, which is super strong. I like that. All right, so I've got my two little umbrellas, parasols, got my tag. What else would be pretty to add here? I was thinking she's fun. I'm not really liking how this hot pink looks. So I think I'm gonna make another tag with a little bit lighter color maybe. See how we like this so far. We put this here. Do you want this lady on here? Maybe, I don't know. My other thought was to throw some florals in as well. We could even put a floral on the I've got more lace as well, which I'm liking that idea. I almost need a bigger piece. This is a skirt of my mother's, or slip rather, of my mother's. It's way longer than I need, but. Kind of digging that. I don't know where I'm going with this. We'll see. That is so weird. Okay. Oh, but I don't want it up that far, do I? Oh, it'll go covered up. It doesn't matter. I like that. Okay. Let's put her head on. Trying to decide how. I'm liking the mix of the hot pink and orange and with the grunge, with the more antique-y, old-fashioned, oldie-timey stuff. I don't even know if I want to put this on a tag. Can't decide. I thought it would be fun now then also to add some florals, because why not, right? All right, let's start putting it down. Now I need some sort of a string. Oh, I've got this. This came in the package. So while I was off camera, I tried to relocate this umbrella, and I pulled it up and ripped the paper under here, so I added another floral, which gives me 5 florals, and an odd number is nice. So that's all for me today. This was really fun. Again, this is a kit you can pick up at UnWowStudios. It's the indexed kit, and it is the paper dolls. They have a couple others. They have bugs, and they have metallic. So check it out. I had a lot of fun combining the old and the new. And I will see you again soon. You can find me in the interim on Instagram at eb_mixed media. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.